Here's Darren Wong, consultant with Karen Business Solutions.
Did you know the Sage 300 Bank Services module is powerful and flexible?
After you open Bank Services and Bank Transactions, click on Import OFX Statements to import a bank statement. OFX stands for Open Financial Exchange. It is not available from every bank, but if you click on Browse, you will see a drop-down list over here of additional options, including the ASO files that come from Simply Accounting and Sage 50. Your bank will present you with the options it supports, such as Simply Accounting, which you can then download and import. For our example today, I have opened the OFX import utility, browsed to my sample bank statement, clicked on it, and clicked Open. And I then click Import. The message confirms that we are ready to reconcile. If your bank offers OFX as a download option, click on Reconcile OFX Statements, select the bank, specify how you want to match deposits, and then select Reconcile. Note how many items were processed and cleared, and then take care of the non-cleared items one by one. When you are done, click Save and Close, and you are done reconciling your bank statement. If your bank does not offer OFX as a download option, after importing the bank statement, click on Reconcile Statements. Specify the bank, the statement and reconciliation dates, and the anticipated statement balance. The objective is to get a zero out of balance by figure so that we can actually post the reconciliation. Begin by clicking on the Reconciliation tab. Every line represents a specific transaction that has occurred but hasn't been cleared since the last bank reconciliation, and we can take advantage of various settings to make things easier. First, you can display all transactions, cleared or not, or you can simply say, I only want to see what's outstanding. If I then mark a transaction as cleared and click Save, that transaction disappears. Of course, I can see it again if I go back here and ask to see all transactions. Second, you can choose to see only withdrawals or only deposits, or continue to look at all transactions. And then finally, you can sort by the date or number of the transaction. Number can be very helpful if you are working through a bunch of checks. If you are not quite sure how to match fields from the import to accounts in your Sage 300 system, or if you have problems with the format your bank offers, we can help you. If you want to see the details of any transaction, highlight a line, click on the heading to drill down and see what makes up that particular transaction. Typically, marking transactions off as you clear them involves a lot of point and click. Point at a transaction and click on Reconcile to mark it clear. But in Sage 300, one handy tip to speed this up is to utilize the space bar and the up and down arrow keys on your keyboard. Highlight a line and hit the space bar. Then arrow down to the next line, hit the space bar again, and again, and again, and again. Yes, you are still marking them one at a time, but it can take less than a second to do each one. Want a little more help getting a handle on the Bank Services module? Contact us or reach out directly to Darren Wong.
So now you know.